OK, let's talk about going out to eat.
Yeah, but we just had breakfast.
Well, I want that bottle of champagne, and you're still a few words short. But more important, once you're off the beaten tourist track, you'll have to fend for yourself. No menus in European languages there.
Yeah, oh yeah, I know what you mean. I like to experiment, but I also want to know what I'm eating. I remember once I ordered some chicken dish, or so I thought, and it turned out to be something called feng chao, which was chicken feet running round on a bed of lettuce in the middle of the plate.
Ooh, lovely.
Yeah.
Well, back to the restaurant.
Right.
What would you like to be able to say?
Well, obviously order drinks, get some food that I can recognise, and make a few pleasant noises if I like it, and probably get the bill.
Right. Well, as soon as you're through the door, you'll get the impression that they think you've come straight from the Sahara Desert.
Huh?
Most restaurants will immediately serve you some tea, but that's really a courtesy and doesn't count as a drink. So then the waiter wants to know, 你想喝什么?
Meaning?
You would like? Drink? What? 你想喝什么?
你想喝什么?
You know 你想, you would like.
嗯
喝 means drink or to drink. And 什么 is what. So together it's
你想喝什么? You would like to drink what?
In other words, what would you like to drink?
Yeah.
But we're beginning to overload your hard drive. Just tune into the keywords. Drink what? 喝什么? The waiter's prompt to order drinks. You won't have to say it, so don't worry about it. What drinks can you remember?
Well, shui, water, or chi shui if you want sparkling water, pi jiao, beer, obviously, and then there's Mao Tai, local spirit, popular and potent, but I've forgotten wine.
葡萄酒
Ah, yeah, 葡萄酒. Red wine?
红葡萄酒
Ah, yeah, now I remember. And white wine is 白葡萄酒.
You can either have a glass, 一杯, or a bottle, 一瓶.
Yeah, I can hear a cork go, 一瓶. A bottle, that's it. And it rings a loud bell from my last trip. The last night, And it wasn't bay glasses, it was ping bottles. Whooping. 5 bottles. Between 4 people. 10 na.
Well, I won't give you the Chinese for hangover. You can use body language for that one.
Hey.
Back to ordering drinks.
Right.
I am the waiter. 你想喝什么?
Ooh, now I've forgotten glass. What was it again?
杯
Bay. That's it, bay. So, like sitting in the Bay of Biscay with a bay of bai potato.
Absolutely. Now, you were placing an order.
Yes, and I'm getting pretty thirsty, so I'm going to order the lot. 三杯啤酒, 大杯, 一瓶红葡萄酒, and now I've forgotten 2.
两 If you have 2 something, remember?
Ah, yeah. Okay, got it. As I was saying, 一瓶红葡萄酒, a bottle of red wine, 2 glasses of white, 两杯白葡萄酒, a bottle of sparkling water, 一瓶汽水, and
一杯茅台
一杯茅台, a glass of, hey, 茅台. 多少钱? How much is it? 天啊, 2 glasses, please. 两杯, ching.
Another happy waiter.
Yeah, I'll bet.
Now for some food.
Right.
I won't give you the whole lot, just 3 basic words from the menu. Meat, chicken and fish. That gets you a bit closer to what you want.
Yeah, well, I could always have mian tao, Chinese noodles. You get lots of different kinds everywhere.
Or baozi, a Chinese steamed bun with stuffing in it. You can have that as a bonus word.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'll have one of those tomorrow, actually.
Let's stay with the main dishes. Fish,
Don't know.
鱼. Chicken is 鸡. And meat is 肉.
Ro. Okay. Ro. Ji. Yu. Meat. Chicken. Fish. Ji. Chicken. Ro. Meat, I guess. Oh, what was fish again?
鱼.
Yu. It is. But what about beef or lamb and pork?
And what about smoked salmon and caviar?
Yeah.
You're already trying to remember a lot of words in one day. If I give you the whole menu, your head will explode.
Yeah.
If you want meat, just take potluck with roe.
Well, the trouble is I'm not too keen on pork. I suppose I could always just draw a pig on a paper napkin and then say, 这个不要.
I love it. But I wouldn't like you to get it wrong and finish up with a Chinese speciality, like a whole roast piglet. So I'll write down beef, lamb and pork for you here. Bonus words. Beef, 牛肉. Lamb, 羊肉. Pork, 猪肉.
牛肉, 羊肉, 猪肉. Thanks. I'll keep this in my pocket.
Now, see if you can order for 4.
Okay. Hey, you be the waiter.
Remember the question, 你想喝什么 means, what do you want to drink? Once you've got the drinks, the next question will be, 你想吃什么?
What would you like to eat?
Correct.
Hey.
吃 is eat. You would like, eat what? 你想吃什么?
Okay, well, I'm going to ask for chicken and fish, and I'm going to point to the picture of some dish on the menu which looks like roe, using this handy airline safety card as my menu. Okay. 好，一个鱼，两个鸡，两个鸡，one chicken, one fish. 肉，等一等，这个，一个，one of this one. 喝很多葡萄酒and more wine. 两杯红葡萄酒，喝一杯白葡萄酒。没有了，that's all. 谢谢你, thank you. Phew.
Listen to you and all in Chinese.
Yeah.
Time for some praise.
Wow, thank you very much. That's nice of you to say so.
不，等一等. I'm talking about praising the food.
Oh.
That's what you wanted to do.
Oh, yeah, it was.
And it is a good idea. The Chinese are very pleased when you appreciate something and say so.
Okay. So, I could say, how, good. The travel rep started every sentence with it. How this and how that and even how it's raining.
How? Then you shouldn't have a problem answering this. How is the meal?
How, 谢谢你.
And how's the fish?
很好，太好了，谢谢你.
What about saying that you like something? That's even better than just saying good.
Which is?
我喜欢. That means I like it. I like something. So, when someone is fishing for a compliment and asks, 好吗? You could reply, 我喜欢, or even, 我很喜欢. I like it a lot.
我喜欢，我很喜欢. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. 我喜欢小方，我喜欢 Ferrari. Yep, I think I can remember that.
And for the odd occasion when something isn't good or you don't like something, what would you say?
不好，
Yes, and you could add 对不起, I'm sorry.
不好，对不起。
What else could you say if you didn't like it?
加纳。
Andy, I want you to say I don't like it in Chinese.
Oh, hang on, wait for it. I like it is 我喜欢, so I don't like it must be 我不喜欢.
You've got it.
Hey!
We'll just go over that last lot of words once more and then we can practice a whole restaurant scene.
Great!
So, what's to drink?
喝
And to eat?
吃
Good.
好
Good.
No, I gave you that when it was how.
That's what I said. I was praising you.
Oh, I see. I thought... okay.
How do you say meat?
Raw.
I like it.
我喜欢
I don't like it.
我不喜欢
I'm sorry.
Why?
Andy, give me I'm sorry in Chinese.
对不起
Chicken.
Gee whiz. No, just G.
Red wine.
红葡萄酒
好. Sparkling water.
Something squishy, squishy. Oh, 汽水
Fish.
Fish for me, fish for you. You.
A glass of beer.
一杯啤酒
Last one. A bottle.
一瓶
太好了. Okay, let's go. I'm the waitress. 你想喝什么?
一瓶可口可乐，一瓶汽水和一杯白葡萄酒。
你想吃什么？
我想吃鸡。你有鸡吗？
有，很好。
很好鸡。
还要别的吗？
对，鱼。这个2个行。
很好，一个鸡，2个鱼，谢谢你。Now, the food has come, and I want to know if you're happy. 好，
对，很好。What's wonderful?
真好。
真好. Oh, I like that. Yeah, wonderful. Yes, the food is 真好。我很喜欢。
Brilliant! So, you've had your meal, and now for the bill. That's either 结账 or 买单. Take your pick.
Oh, I think I'll go for 买单. My darling, would you pay the 买单?
I think we're starting on our descent.
Uh-oh.
You'd better order that champagne now,
Yeah.
just in case. We've only 15 minutes to go.
Right.
Here's someone come down the aisle.
Okay. 你好，请问你有 champagne 吗？一瓶